What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing y'all what is in the box for this real truck TruXedo tonneau cover, as well as how to install it on this 2024 GMC Sierra 2500. So let's get into it. Step one, we already wrote down our serial number here, and that is right here on the front of the cover. Step two, obviously you don't want to attach things that have adhesives and stuff to something that's dirty, so you want to make sure the project that you're working on is clean and debris and dirt free, including dust, because we will be using adhesive pieces and you want to make sure your adhesive is top quality and clean. Third step, going right along, we already opened up our little squishies that come with it. So you're going to attach the front corner seals. These are F, based on our little photo here. Peel the backing off to show the adhesive, and we're going to stick it on the side right here. I'm going to put the squishier side up, and you want it to be about 1/8 of an inch above this bed rail, so it really is not a whole lot. It's like a frog here, like right there. And then we're going to squish it on to hold it into place. But there you have it. So that's step 3 complete. Okay, so step 4, we're going to apply the G and H foam heads to the front of the driver's side and passenger side rail. To know that it's the front, they have these tensioners right here, and to know that they are the back, they have latches back there. The driver's side rail has the latch, the passenger side does not. And we're going to take the backing off, place them inside of the frame rail right there, and squish it in and squish it in. Alright, so moving on to step 5, we're going to take our driver's side rail, that's the one with the latch, and we're going to go ahead and install it with the 3 clamps onto the driver's side. So we want 3/8 inch from the bulkhead to the front of our rail. So we're going to hold this up, and we also want our side to be flush with this bedside rail as well, because you don't want it to be too high or too low. The ones with the larger amount of grooves are going to go up, and then these 2 smaller ones will adjust based on your thickness or height of your bed. We're going to put these under here about hand tight, and then we'll do our other 2. So all of the big grooves are going to go up. So because this truck comes factory with these bedside caps, we're going to install the bulkhead seal as well, and we're going to run it alongside up to here, and we want it squished up against these caps here as well. We are going to run this up right alongside this cap, and then continue it all the way down to the other cap. Boop. Voila. Voila. Now you're ready for your cover. Alright, so now we have our cover. We got our little levers pulled in so that they're out of the way. These levers are actually going to be facing down into the bed. So you have this bulkhead seal that's right here as well. And so when you are setting this down, you're going to set it down on top like this. Once you have that in place, you want to make sure that your seal up here is sitting right there on that seal. It's very hard to see, but you can see that this. Now, we're going to slide these so they lock into place. Nice and snug. Okay, so now we're ready to roll and lock. Now, before you actually lock it in place, you want to put your tailgate back up so that the seal can seal. Lock it in place, and then on the sides, from your hand down, and Velcro. And now you have a nice watertight fit and a brand new top.